What's going on today, guys? Today's mad nice. Spring is almost here. Next is summer, and I'm hyped. So today what we got going on is we gonna give her a ride in the Z. So it's gonna be interesting. This is the fastest car she's ever ridden. She's ridden in this car. She's ridden my old vet. But every time I give her a ride in this car, it's been so cold out that we literally just spin until third gear. So now we should be able to hook in second, get a good 55 roll, and I think she's gonna be impressed. Like I said, she was in the old vet, but the old vet was pretty torquey, but this is something else. So this car is actually fast. Well, fast enough for right now. Cam ahead's coming soon, so let's get right into the video. Yeah, there you go, you got it.
Oh shit, heavy.
Yeah. So we're gonna get right into the video, and we're gonna get this ride along going.
Sure.
Alright, so what's the fastest car you've been in? This one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she's been in something real fast.
Yeah, I haven't been in many fast cars.
Alright. We might spin. Alright, 3, 2. Back in your seat, you know what I'm saying?
I was tossed. I was like stuck to my chair. Not gonna cap. Hella adrenaline.
Yeah.
My heart is like.
Imagine driving it.
The second time at least I was like
nah, but when you've been in like faster cars, like this car really doesn't seem that fast, to be honest. So
love you.
No, it's gonna get faster though, like a decent amount faster. So
a decent amount, like not even a little bit, like more than a little bit.
Yeah, like you'll feel it a lot. Like so, like right now it's like at 390 wheel horsepower. You feel like a 10-15 wheel horsepower difference. But once I'm done with my whole setup, it's gonna be about like 470 wheel horsepower. So that's a big jump.
That is a big jump, yeah.
So
okay. I'm excited. I'm ready for it.
All right, guys, we dropped her off. I forgot to film dropping her off, but it's alright. She had a good time. Like I said, this car is not really as fast as I want it to be at all. To be honest, I'm kind of used to the power now. It's not like I push the car crazy. I've never done a first gear pull. Well, I've tried a first gear pull, but it's the car just spins in first gear. So like I said, I don't really like to put a beat on this car crazy. I just like to enjoy it here and then. I'm not one to go out street racing, shifting super hard. Like I shift fast enough, but I'm not yanking it back, you know what I mean? To me, this car's not built enough for that. So if I was shifting like that, I gotta be ready to buy new trans, all that. And I don't need all that, but yeah, guys, I really want a cam. I don't know. I've been waiting on it because I want to take care of this car semi-cosmetically first before I go dropping the money and putting the cam on it. Plus the cam's pretty expensive, so I'm gonna have to wait for a little bit to be able to afford a cam in my budget. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know this one's kind of short and sweet and to the point, but I hope you enjoyed it, and check back in for the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.